In this video, I'm going to be going over 5 tips that everyone should be doing if you're just starting SEO on your brand new website. So tip number 1 is installing an SEO plugin. Now personally, there's 2 big ones on the market that people use. You have Rank Math and you have Yoast. Both have their individual pros and cons. Me personally, I use Rank Math, and that's just because there's more technical features. But if you're brand new to SEO or brand new to building websites or whatever it is in this case, you might want to go with Yoast since it's a little more user-friendly. And on top of that, there's probably a lot more tutorials out there on YouTube and just kind of teaching how Yoast works compared to Rank Math. Long term though, you eventually do want to switch over to Rank Math because it's just better overall for SEO and your website in general. Okay. Number 2, setting up Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Big Webmaster Tools. So each of these are really important to set up for your business and website. They allow you to see the different data, compare it to pages, track conversions, everything that you would want to know from an SEO and marketing standpoint for your business. It shouldn't take you less than an hour to set these up, so make sure you go out of the way, set them up for your website, and you should be good to go. Number 3 is optimizing your title and meta descriptions. So don't use the defaults, whatever Google has, or Rank Math or Yoast. Go out there and write custom titles and custom meta descriptions to improve your click-through rate. Click-through rate, if you guys don't know, is the percentage of people that see your search in Google or Bing and then click on it and go to your website. Now your click-through rate depends on what position you are. If you're position 1 or position 10, click-through rates on average are going to be completely different. Look online for different charts. But in general, once you find out what position that you're ranking at and you look at the charts, you can kind of see, oh, this position ranks, has an average click-through rate of 4%, mine's 2%, I need to work on that. So then you might want to rewrite those title and meta descriptions to better suit the user. Number 4 is submitting the sitemaps and pages to Google Search Console and Big Webmaster Tools. Both of these will allow Google and Bing to know that you've made changes to your website, and on top of that, individual pages, whether you create them or made major changes to them, you want to submit them on there. Those are going to be indexed a lot faster under the search engines and just better overall for your website and get more traffic to it. The last tip is getting your page loading speed under 3 seconds. There's been a lot of studies based around it, but if your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, users are more likely to bounce off of it. And guess what? If they just bounced off your website, they're going to one of your competitors. If they convert, you just lost a potential customer. So make sure you fix that technical SEO side of things. There's so many different tutorials teaching you how to do it, and it's actually not too difficult. Biggest thing I always see, at least when I work on different client websites, is images. People tend to upload really high resolution images, which you really don't need. Obviously you need to have quality images, but really high-end images and stuff like that, which won't make a difference depending on the different desktop monitors people have. Anyways guys, that is 5 tips that you need to work on for your brand new websites. Make sure to check down the description down below for some important links. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.